What's up, Regeneration? It's your boy Mike again, and I wanted to talk to y'all tonight about if he did it before, he can do it again. Heard this song by Ty Tribute, and the song basically says that I won't give in. No, I'm not going to turn around. I know I win if I don't give up now. Yeah. See, that song speaks to me because basically what it says is, if God did anything before in your life, you have to believe that he can do it again. Never give up faith in him, because he's the same then as he is now, and he's the same as he will be in the end. I promise you, he's on your side. Your situation is gonna get better. The sun is gonna come up for you. You're gonna find yourself doing so much better than you ever expected. You're gonna see that smile on your face and know that everything's gonna be okay. To my lonely people that stay up in the middle of the night, I promise you, the same way he brought you that happiness at a past time in your life, he can bring it back to you. And if you've never had that happiness, just receive it, and I guarantee you God will give it to you. He is willing, he is able to do everything that you need him to do. You just gotta have the faith. You just gotta know that God is there for you. You just gotta love him the way he loves you and keep fighting for him. Never change your mind about who God is. Never change your mind about what he will do. His promises are what make him who he is. He's not a liar. He can't be made a liar. And if you know this and trust this, everything will turn out just fine. Hey, I'm talking to all the people who are believers. Change your life. Change your life around you. If God did it before, he'll do it again. He loves you that much. He cares for you that much. He never, ever, ever will change the way he loves us. He's amazing. He's powerful beyond measures. Grasp God and draw him into you, man. I promise you, we serve an awesome, mighty wonder. I'm talking to all the people who may be up right now, or who may wake up in the morning looking, asking, questioning. He is the same every day, today and yesterday and forevermore. He will never leave you. I promise you. Trust and believe. Life is going to pick up for you. You're about to walk into some blessings. Job, car, house, finances, peace of mind, prosperity, faith. Your children are gonna do better. Your family is gonna do better. Your friends, everything around you shall increase. I guarantee you this. If he did it before, he can do it again. Good night. Regenerate your generation.